guys, Dan here from Waikua. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you this guy. This is my pocket survival fishing kit. This micro fishing kit has all the essentials. Its super compact size makes it perfect for hiking, bug out bags and everyday carry. So here it is. Nice small aluminium tin, and I've put a roll of electrical tape on the outside. Not only is it useful to have extra tape, but it also adds a layer of waterproofing. And what I do with this tape usually is roll it onto a stick or something. That way it's not wasted and it's easy to use later on. This has been sealed up for a long time, so I hope all the content is still good. First of all, we've got a significant amount of, I think it's 8-pound line. Following that, we've got some braided line as well. Super strong stuff. I've got one worm squidgy. I've got a very crunchy squidgy as well. That just needs to be applied to some water and it goes back to new. I've got a sinker. A razor blade. And here I have some wire trace with a swivel. And here we have the two small bags, two small kits. One of these kits, it's got hooks, sinkers and swivels. And in this one I've got two flies, one small larvae, two swivels. I've got 3 eyelets, which can be useful when making a makeshift rod. I've got 3 mini light sticks and a hook remover. And that's it for my micro fishing kit. Remember to subscribe for our channel for plenty more videos to come. Thanks.